So today I've had a little bit of a ride round to see if I can pick up any bargains, and I found one or two, and I'll show you what I got hold of today. So I took a trip to Poundland because this time of year they start to get their gardening stock in, and they usually have some quite good deals. I got one of those. Take it out. Nice little planter, 6cm pots in it, and the obviously the holder for it as well. And there's 12 of those altogether for you to put your seedlings in, like cucumbers, as they get a little bit larger. And that was £1, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. We also got some tomato feed. It's always good to have a couple of bottles of these kicking around. And again, that were £1. I'll probably spend half a year looking for string to tie up vining plants like cucumbers, tomatoes, etc. So it's always good to have a ball of string handy. £1. Of course, we like us tubs. Make holes in the bottom of all these tubs, and you're good to go for planting all your little seeds to then prick out later on and pot on. They were £1.50, but you get 6 of them, so that's still a pretty good deal because you can obviously just keep reusing them. So we got some bone meal and we got some fish blood and bone. Really good fertilisers. Fish blood and bone is a really good one for long time fertilising, and the bone meal is a really good one to help with root growth when you're transplanting plants, etc. But they've both got a good amount of phosphorus and nitrogen, and they were £1.50 a box. It's a 1 kilogram box, so at £1.50 a box, that's pretty good. So I got 2 or 3 of each. When you come to start doing your canes, do them with tie wraps, because the stronger are a lot more reliable than the string. And of course, if you're using runner beans, French beans, they can get quite heavy and your string might snap, but these won't, and they were £1. I also got some of these 12-inch diameter hanging baskets, wicker ones. They're quite nice, and there was only £1.50 each. Now last year these were only £1 each, and the fertiliser was only £1 a box, but obviously because of rising cost of things this year they have increased a little, but still an hanging basket for £1.50 is a very good deal. So that's just a few things that I picked up. They didn't cost a lot of money, and they are essentials if you're growing vegetables and flowers this season. So if you just shop around, you can pick them up at good prices. But just a warning to anybody that buys this or this off eBay, don't. There are people selling these and 4 more, including potato fertilisers and rose feed. They're all the exact same box, made by the same company, and they're the same weight. And as I told you, these from Poundland are £1.50. People are selling these on eBay for between £5 and £7 a box. Anyway, that was just a quick video just to show you what you can get at really good prices if you shop around. And tomorrow's the first day of spring. So what we're going to be doing tomorrow is I'm going to make up a hanging basket with one of those cheap hanging baskets that we've got, and some cheap flowers that we got, and then we'll calculate how much it costs for you to make your very own hanging basket. So if you've got some spare time tomorrow when the video goes on, have a look, because I think you'll be pleasantly surprised at just how cheaply you can make your own hanging baskets. And we're also going to do a look at the things that we've got growing and see how they're progressing. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. I always appreciate it. And if you want to see more in future and you've not already subscribed, press that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.